Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is me, the Matster. Thank you guys for joining again. And in this video, we're going to be finishing off SAT practice test number 10, the no calc section. As you can see, there is a cross on the calculator. So welcome back, and yes, we are done with the college algebra unit after that last Unit 2 video 1 video. For that part, because we finished up the unit, we did all the problems. If you have any questions or further concerns, you can ask me, but I wanted you guys to basically jumpstart in time flew, and we finished out just like that. And then I realized might as well finish up SC practice test number 10. I think it's been about 6 months since I left off from right over here, and I think it's time for a part 2 because I think we should really finish this. So that's going to do it. I think I made like multiple recordings trying to just get it all done, but it just didn't really pan out yet. So hopefully, I think this is going to be the one that really answers all your questions. And feel free to reach out in the comments down below if you have any further concerns or just anything you want to talk about. All right. And if that sounds good with y'all, then that sounds good with me. Okay, so we did number 13, so I think number 14 is next. And this is one that I think some people don't really understand because it's questionable at times for sure, but still I feel like if you know, you know. Alright, so let's go and take a look at this question, alright? Alright, so question number 14, okay? It's this one, right? Okay. Oh frick, I gotta get my recorder back. So I have to go over to extensions, find my writing tool, drawing tool, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's do this. What are all values of x that satisfy the given equation? Okay, so if you think about it, let's just plug and play. If you plug in a 1, then you get 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Does 2 equal 1 minus 3? Remember, square roots are always positive. There's no plus or minus. It's just plus. Okay? So, yes. So 2 is not equal to 1 minus 3. If you plug in 9, then it's the square root of 36, which is 6. And then on the left side, you have 9 minus 3, which is also 6. So this one doesn't work. This one works. It's 2 only. 14 is B. Alright. Okay. Alright. So this is just a plug and play kind of problem. Alright. Moving on to number 15. Alright, can y'all see that or need more room? Yes, y'all need more room. Okay. Well, I guess I'll minimize it. I think 200% is good enough for a zoom in, I guess. Okay. Alright. That looks good then. Okay, so this one says, in the system of equations above, for which of the following values of A does the system have no solution? So, no solution basically means the entire equation is probably the same. It's just like there's just one thing that just makes there be no solution. Parallel lines are a great example, meaning they have the same slope but a different y-intercept. So let's try for something like that. Let's see here. What's the slope? Here you get y equals, if you move the 3x to the right side, the negative 3x to the right side becomes a positive 3x, and then a plus 6. Plus, it's not a 6. There, plus 6. So our slope is 3. And this one would need the same slope, right? Well, here we have 2y equals negative ax plus 4. So the difference in our y-intercepts is, here we have a y-intercept of 6, here we're going to have a y-intercept of whatever. We're going to have to divide this equation by 2, so I think it's going to be a positive 2. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we're going to get y equals negative a by 2x plus 2. Okay? And now I guess all we really have to do is say, okay, if negative a by 2 equals 3, then we'll get negative a equals 6. So a equals negative 6. Okay? Yeah. There's a negative 6 becomes a positive 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. No solution. Alright. Boom. 16 through 20, the griddens. Here we go. Manufacturer shipped. What's this manufacturer shipping? Shipped units of a certain product to 2 locations. The equation above shows the total shipping cost $10 for shipping C units to the closer location, shipping F units to the farther location. If the total shipping cost was this much, this many units were shipped. How many units were shipped to the closer location? We gotta make a couple system of equations, but I think we can really get it done. Chop chop. Okay. The total shipping cost is this much. So I believe, let's see here. Well, T is the total shipping cost in dollars. So that's our T value, okay? 3,000 units were shipped to the farther location. So that's F. And they're asking us how many units were shipped to the... Okay, so we don't even have to make a second equation. We have everything we need. So our T is 47, comma, 0, 0, 0 equals... we don't know what our 5C is, so I'll write that as this, plus 12 times, and then our F value, which is the number of units shipped to our farther location, which is 3,000. Okay, so let's see, so this is going to become, let's see, 47, and this is 36, so minus 36. 1, 1. So if you do 47,000 minus 36,000, then we'll get 1, 1, and 3 zeros, right? So 1, 1, 3 zeros, and then divide this by 5. Will give us C. So this is 2 minus 10 is 1. Drop down to 0. Okay, that's a 2. And then that's from this 0, and then 2 more zeros. So C equals 2, 2, 0, 0. Alright, there. Okay. 17. 17. Here we are. If A and B are solutions to the equation above, what is the value of absolute value of A minus B? Okay. So what are some possible solutions? Well, anytime you have an absolute value, if it says like this 2x plus 1, so absolute value is 5, and you have two solutions. The first one is that 2x plus 1 equals 5. And I believe our second one is negative 2x plus 1 equals 5. So for the first solution, you would get 2x equals 5 minus 1, which is 4. So x equals 2. That's your first solution, okay? And you can plug it in and it'll work out. For this one, though, you get negative 2x minus 1 equals 5. So negative 2x equals negative 4. So x equals negative 2. Okay? And just imagine, you plug a negative 2 here, you get negative 4. Negative 2. Hold up. 3. No, it should be negative 3, right? Because if you plug in negative 3, then you get negative 6. Yeah, makes it negative 3. Yeah. Because then the negative 6 plus 1. What did I do wrong here, though? Something I did wrong. I don't know what. Or maybe, oh, maybe it's equals negative 5. And then, well, then, yeah. Sorry, it's not this. You put the negative here. So then you get 2x equals negative 6. Yeah, it's negative 3. So it's 2 and negative 3. So it's the absolute value of, if you do 2, or let's see, if it's negative 3, well, we don't know what's the order. If we do negative 3 minus 2, then it's negative 5. So then we get 5. Yeah, it'll be 5 either way. Okay. So yeah, 17 is 5. 18. Juan purchased an entire antique that had a value of $200 at the time of the purchase. Each year, the value of the antique is estimated to increase 10% over its value of the previous year. The estimated value of the antique in dollars 2 years after the purchase can be represented by 200. Okay, so the initial value of the purchase is 200, and then it's increasing by 10% every year. And then 2 years can be represented by this much. What is the value of A? So it's going to increase by 10% more. Well, what's 10% of 200? Just chop a 0 down. That's 20. So it becomes 220. So in the first year, it's worth $220. What about in the second year? In the second year, and just 10% would be, it's just moving a decimal place forward, right? $22. So it would be 200 or 220 plus 22, which is 242. So that would be the same thing as saying 200 and then multiplied by 1.42, right? I think. Let's see, 242. Divide that by 200. Well, first divide it by 2, and we'll divide it by 100. So that's 121, and then 1.21. Alright, yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's 1.21. Okay. Number 19. So you have two equations. What is the value of 5x plus 5y? Well, if we want it in that form, we can just add them straight up, right? So we get 5x plus 5y equals, and you'll get some easy problems too, hopefully. 2, 5, 0, 0. Okay? 2, 5, 0, 0. Alright. And then number 20. If u plus t equals 5 and u minus t is 2, what is this value? Okay. So let's see here. Well, we know that u minus t is 2. Okay. And let's see, u squared minus t squared. Well, u squared minus t squared is equal to u plus t times u minus t, right? Because a squared minus b squared is nothing but a plus b times a minus b, right? So it's 2 times, well, we know that u plus t is 5, and we know that u minus t is 2. So 5 times 2 is 10 times 2 is 20, so the answer is 20. Alright. And yeah, that's it, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. It's complete. It's no calc section. And I'll see y'all next time. Alright. Keep doing math, y'all. You're gonna love it. Alright. I think we'll do the with calc section next, because I think that's what I'm somewhat better at, but it just depends.